In this video, we're going to be talking about LED light strip, sometimes known as LED tape, ribbon or reel. LED light strip is one of the most versatile types of LED lighting and is finding its place in more and more environments than ever before. Sometimes though it can be a little bit more confusing to install and needs a level of experience or knowledge above what most consumers have. So we've set out this video to help debunk some of the myths, go through the technology and help you install it easily and with peace of mind. So to start with, let's talk about some of the benefits of LED strip. Well, because it comes on a roll and cut to any length, it can be placed almost anywhere. It's great in alcoves, under kitchen cabinets, around corners of rooms, in lighting cabinets, or anywhere where you want to create a nice uniform length of light. This is much harder with spotlights, where you would have lots of individual pools of light. With LED strip, as you can see when you look at the strip, there are several, if not hundreds or thousands of LED lights all in a row, uniformly placed together. This creates an even wash of light, where you can't distinguish the different beams. A nice gentle glow or a bright vivid colour on a wall or in a room is great and not something you can do with any other traditional light source. This makes LED light strip one of the most popular in bars or bedrooms where you want to have a little disco for your children, or hotels where you want to light up a lobby in a nice rich green or blue or purple. Again, that moves us on to the next major advantage, RGB LED strip. To take it simplistically, there are two types of LED strip. There are white LED strip and colour LED strip. Let's start with the white LED strip first. White LED strip comes in a range of colour temperatures, just like our bulb. So warm white colour temperature LED strip would be great for a bedroom, cool white great for a bathroom, or neutral white anywhere in between. Again, remember these are just suggestions, so if you prefer a different colour temperature in a different room to what we suggest, it doesn't matter. The choice is yours, and that's the key. You have the choice. RGB LED strip, or colour changing LED strip, offers a multitude of colour and choice. In a region of 17 million colours, you can imagine that the choice can become limitless, and it gives you the opportunity to paint a room in colour that you just never had before. So now we've talked about the colour options of LED strip, let's talk about the brightness levels. We offer two types at WeLoveLED, Zentek and Zentek Premium. The Zentek uses a LED light chip that is known as the 3528, meaning it's 3.5 by 2.8 millimeters in size and offers more than average levels of light. It's perfect for most conditions. If you need more brightness or a colour changing ability, you should choose our Zentek Premium, which uses the 5050 chip. It's 5mm by 5mm, requires a little bit more energy consumption, but offers much more lumens per output. So once you've chosen the LED light strip that you need, some people think the next part can become a little bit confusing. It's actually very simple when you break it down. Standard white LED light strip simply has a positive and negative 12-volt connection. All you need is a LED driver with a wattage output at the same or more than the LED strip needs. RGB strip has 4 connections: red, green and blue negative, plus a common positive. All this means is that you have 4 cable connectors instead of 2, and a driver that powers in exactly the same way as a white LED strip. But in between the driver and the LED strip, you have a controller. The controller does exactly what it says on the tin. It controls the colour output of the RGB strip. To start with, let's talk about the white LED strip and how to power it. So for example, let's say in my bedroom, I have a 5-meter run of LED Zentek strip. It's rated at 4.8 watts per meter. So we round this up to make us safe. So let's call it 5 watts per meter. At 5 meters, I have 25 watts of usable load that I need to cover. I buy an LED driver at 30 watts, again to give me headroom. I connect the LED driver to the mains voltage. I connect the positive and negative of the LED strip to the driver at 12 volts. The driver regulates the power from mains voltage down to a constant current and voltage that the LED strip requires at 12 volts. It's important that you use an LED driver and not just a 12 volt halogen or existing driver that you may have, because this will not regulate the current and voltage in the way that the LEDs require. This can mean they flicker or burn out prematurely. So it's simple. You know how many watts that you need. You choose a LED driver that matches that watts and exceeds it. Usually you should add 10% headroom to your total wattages that you need. Once you've got this, you connect them up, the driver to the mains and the strip to the LED driver, and that's it. Simple. RGB is a little bit more complicated, but again, to know which driver you need, it's the same. So our RGB strip at 50/50 uses nearly 15 watts per meter. Again, you just work out which driver you need. Now you need to choose a controller. There are many on the market and we stock several. Let's say, for example, you have a touch dial radio frequency controller. This controller connects after the LED driver. So it's mains voltage to the driver. After the driver, you connect 12 volt to the controller. Out of the controller, you will have the 4 connections that go into the LED strip. It's that simple. Once powered up, you can use your controller, whether that be a smartphone, your dial, a wall panel, or else, and that will control the output levels of the red, green and blue parts of the strip, which will make a colour. New to market are RGBW strips. Now these are lighting LED strips that have red, green, blue and white, either in one chip or an RGB and white chip on the same length. This is great if you want to add hue to your red, green and blue colour choice. So instead of just a multitude of colours, you can also add palettes of hues to those colours as well. This requires a special strip and a special controller. We can order these in for you, and sometimes we have these in stock, so please get in touch if you need more. Just remember, the LED strip isn't as complicated as you think it may be. Get in touch, we will help you design and implement it free of charge. We always offer this to our customers, free impartial advice and guidance, whether you choose to buy our products or not. We're so confident in the quality of our products that we offer the industry-leading warranties and guarantees to make sure that once you've fitted your products, it's fit and forget. We hope you enjoy your LED strip, and thanks for choosing WeLoveLED.